This video is not about daily maintenance type of sharpening I normally do. It is more like how to extract the best out of your blade. So it takes a little bit longer, but you should know how to do it. And you don't do this every week or every month. Realistically, every 3 months, every 6 months, maybe only once a year. Once a year is a little bit of a stretch, but probably around every 3 months to 6 months. There are no only one right way to do it. It all depends on your knife and you. For example, I'm a freehand whetstone sharpening all the way type of guy. And I like single beveled knife most of the time. But even someone like me, I do cheat every once in a while. And cheating, I mean by that, using this and this. Sometimes I need to save time. I don't do this all the time, but every once in a while, yes. So first, let me show you the example of cheating. But okay, this one needs sharpening. This one also needs sharpening. This works. This and leather strap. I really don't like this, but sometimes these things are useful. Okay, I don't need to sharpen them on the stone. Double-beveled knives and things like this, they do have their own places. But these things have their limitations. Yes, basically, the shorter the blade, the better. And the thinner the blade stock, the better it works. But then again, if you have to use these things for relatively thick blade stock and long blade, well, use your imagination. If you have to touch up something like this out in the field, this is Chris Lee green beret, by the way. Instead of doing this, swap the hand and hold the knife steady and move this. You are limited by only with your imagination. In the next video, I am going to show and explain how I sharpen my yanagiba when I have a little bit of time. When I take time to get the best out of it, not when I have to squeeze everything into a tight time frame. And I'm just going to show you how I actually modify the sharpening stone. I don't make it flat except for Sharpton 6000 for uraoshi. Oh, and spider core ultra fine. They are maintained as flat stone. But Naniwa Chosera 400, 800, I use a lot. I actually make it convex. And so probably I will start from that in the next video. So see you in the next video.